Hi guys, I'm going to show you how I do flat twist on my hair. First, I section my hair into two. I use the hair in my left hand, join it with the hair in my right hand. Then I scoop the hair with my right hand, join it with my left hand. As you can see, I place my right hand finger under the hair, then I use the other hand to join the hair into a twist. And I continue with the process. Again, I use my right hand finger under the hair and I join it with my other hand. Now I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below.